Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and today we are gonna learn the head coin drop. The head coin drop is kinda like a windmill, but you use your legs or feet. So to learn it you don't require any move, I think. You can learn it before the windmill or after the windmill, as you prefer. Maybe you require a little bit of backspin, but it's not really necessary. So you also don't require any freezes for this move. Just a little bit of backspin. You should also wear a hat, maybe, because otherwise you will hurt your hair. So, first of all, wear a hat. Second thing, you can start in two ways. The first way is kind of like a backspin. So, if you spin clockwise on this side, the right side, you should kick your left leg like this and basically do a little bit of backspin, and then when you are on your back, your head should be on the ground, so not like that, but like that. When you are in this position, you should lift up your hips like this. So you lift up your hips and the right leg goes in this direction and touches the floor. So from the backspin, like this, you lift up your hips and you touch the floor with your foot. Again, like this and like this. You can start like that. You can even use your shoulder if you want, your left shoulder. But then when you learn it, you shouldn't use your shoulder anymore. So at the beginning, just practice this more times. And then from this position, push yourself up on your head, in this position. On your head, with your legs on the floor, like this. Again, from the backspin, push yourself. You can also use your hands to help you, like that. You can put your hands like that, head on the floor, and turn like this, and go to the head, here. One more time, like that. When you learn it, you should start practicing it without using your hands. So instead then putting your hands like that, do this with your hands. Kind of like a circle, and you use your hands like that. So from the backspin, like that. Now my hands was a little bit too wide, but just to show you. The second way to start is to start in this position here. Arms open, but you can also start with your arms on the floor. Kick your right leg in this direction and go on your back like this in a backspin. Again, hands on the floor, kick, and then go like this, like this. So the whole movement will be like that. From here you can also do that with your arms and do that. So kick your legs up all the time and your hips up. Your right leg should go in this side and your arms should push like this. But at the beginning you can use your arms normally. And that's pretty much it for the head coin drop.
Maybe you can show some rounds, bro.
Some rounds?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Like 3
Thanks,
rounds.
bro. Thanks, bro.
No problem, man.
You can also start from stand up if you can already do the start of the power moves. You can start from which position you want actually.
Yeah.
When you learn it, you can even do it without using your head, but I'm gonna explain it in another tutorial. So, if you want to check out my merch, Ninja Clothing, link in the description. Check out my social networks, links in the description. Thanks to Rose Punch, also his link in the description.
Yeah.
Check out the description for everything.
Yeah.
And see you in the next tutorial. Yo ninjas!